The Hooker Falls trailhead can be found at the Hooker Falls access area off Stanton Road in the DuPont State Forest. Hooker Falls is easy to access via a 1/4 mile trail from the parking area. It's family and dog friendly with some elevation gain. You will come to an observation deck above the falls first, which was closed for repairs when we were there. Continue on down the trail to the pool in front of the waterfalls. There are plenty of rocks to sit on and enjoy the view or enjoy a picnic. This was one of 2 hikes I took while in the area to test my surgically repaired knee. In January, I had most of the meniscus removed as well as some bone due to microfractures. I was so caught up in the beauty around me, I completely forgot about my knee. No pain, no issues. I'm ready for hiking out west. On this trip, I had the opportunity to try out my GoPro Hero 8 and my new iPhone 13. I took a couple of shots of the same scenery to see if I could tell any difference. What do you think? Nancy decided to take a rest before we left this beautiful, tranquil area. Beautiful blue skies with the trees starting to bud out, and occasionally a flower giving us a preview of coming attractions. Here are a few still shots of our hike. Thanks for watching. Comments and thumbs up are appreciated. Oh, and please subscribe. Thank you.